Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life, and I want to say shout out to Slumman33 for posting this comment last night. He posted it on an older video that I made about Sprint and the merger happening in Puerto Rico a few months back. So now I seen this on a different post on a different forum, but I wasn't able to use it as a source. So now that I've seen him post that last night, I'm sure he won't mind. So Sprint has started deploying Band 13 in Puerto Rico. So they were able to obtain this by the merger with, I want to say Open Mobile, if I remember correctly. So they have 10 megahertz of it. So they're deploying that. There's already a few sites live with it that's been reported by different people. Also, Sprint is widening the Band 25 bandwidth there too, opening it up to, I want to say, either 2 carrier aggregation on Band 25 or a full slice of 10 megahertz. And then also they're rolling out Band 41 there. So Sprint, should have a very solid network in Puerto Rico with this Band 13. And I would say once they have it, pretty much rolled out everywhere, I would definitely give Sprint a look down in Puerto Rico, especially with this Band 13 low band licensing at 10 megahertz. So I just wanted to make this real quick video for you guys, keeping you guys up to date that Sprint has started rolling it out in Puerto Rico, and it should, either by the end of this year or early next year should be pretty much widespread throughout Puerto Rico. So leave all your comment sections in the comment sections down below. Maybe you are in Puerto Rico and have seen this Band 13 live on the network. So let me know in the comment section down below. This is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.